0. Let's get started.
This isn't professional advice. Use caution when working on cars. Our advice, don't try this yourself.
Este no es un consejo profesional. Tenga cuidado al trabajar en coches. Nuestro consejo, no intente esto usted mismo.
All right, leaf spring number 2 coming up. First, I'm going to get after that shock. Get as much pressure off that leaf spring as possible, so that's why I have these smaller jack stands there to kind of prevent it from moving. The center jack that I have on the pumpkin, I'm going to let down. I've got the axle sitting on the jack stands, and I'm going to let the tires sit by lowering the jack. Then take off the shock, and at that time I'll be able to cut the U-bolts. You want to play rough? I'll play rough. So with a hammer and ratchet and a wrench, just trying to get this off and it didn't work. I was able to use the breaker bar. I finally got the bolt out. That rust can be like glue. And what I found is you can use a blade. And it's always kind of sketchy. This is under tension right now. So what I'm going to is that breaker bar with an extension to get past the shock, and just gonna wrench it out. I think it's going to be a little safer as a result. It'll be safer as a result. Now this shackle was a monster. Just rusted in. And now I got to try to get out that bush. But you can kind of see the edge. It's right here. It's just all rotted out. Get it out of there. Get the new stuff. So it's getting late and I'm still at it. Just removing that front part of the leaf spring. Anyway, I had to do a modification because the length that I had was incorrect. It's too long. So I cut it down because I've got to get the bolt to face towards the tank. And the tank and the clearance is really snug, so it's about enough. Finally got that back together. Leaf spring is installado, and done for now.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.